Hi there! In this video I will show you how to use the Advanced Bill Calendar, a simple and smart tool to manage your bills, subscriptions, debts and irregular payments, all in one place. Start with Setup tab. Here you can set your currency and add all your payments in 4 sections: bills, regular payments, subscriptions, monthly plans, debts, loans or credit payments, irregular bills, one-time or occasional payments. In each block, just write the name, date and amount of each bill. Once you finish the Setup tab, all your bills, subscription and debts will automatically appear in the monthly calendar on their due dates. Here. You can easily see what's coming up and how your payments are spread across the month. If there are several bills on the same day, they will be listed together. Next, go to the Overview section. Here you can choose month and year and start day of the week. These settings update the whole template at once. In the Paydays table, enter the dates when you get paid. These days will show in the calendar with the coin icon. It helps you plan which bills to pay right after receive money. Here you can see coin icon, here and here. In the payment tables, you can update your bills manually. Just mark them as paid. The color system helps you see the payment status at a glance. Gray, paid; red, overdue; orange, due in 3 days; and green, upcoming, more than 3 days away. The current day is automatically highlighted in the calendar, so you can quickly see what's planned for today. At the top, you will find the main monthly metrics: due soon, bills coming up soon, total bills, total amount for the month, total paid and unpaid, how much is paid and how much is left, progress, percentage of all bills paid. These numbers update automatically as you mark payments as done. At the bottom, there is a Notes section. You can use it for the reminders, one-time expenses or quick comments. Notes don't affect any calculations. They are just for your convenience. The Advanced Bill Calendar keeps everything in one place: your setup, calendar, paydays, color-coded statuses and monthly progress. You can purchase this template in my Etsy shop. The link is below the video. Happy budgeting!